Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I'm going to show you an easy fix on this primer bulb on this 21-inch Huskee push mower we got at TSC, Tractor Supply Company. It's a 139cc overhead valve, and obviously the original primer bulb split like they always do to make life so pleasant and fun. And for years, my dad just primed it by tilting it up like this, but more of an extreme, and that would work. That worked for years. So if you're in that situation, you might give that a try. Just don't flood it. So the original ones are red, and I got these. I'm not a big fan of Amazon, so I got these Stens ones off of eBay, not directly from Stens, but I'll tell you what area it came from. Michigan. This is a 904 4060 Stens 120-440 primer bulb for Toro 66-7460, whatever that's worth. And it was free shipping. I think 5 of them. It was $7.12, I think, free shipping. And these came from the seller is Weingarts in Chesterfield, Michigan. So I didn't know if they were going to work. I knew they were similar. These are black. They've got a hole in the center like the original red ones, but I put it on and it's working. So I didn't even use any grease or anything. You might want to use like some grease or anti-seize compound or something on there to help it go on easier, but it fit and it works. I might, if these fail prematurely, hey, you got 4 more, and I may buy some of the original ones sometimes if we need them. But I'm soaking one in some 303 in that little pill bottle, because it's supposed to keep rubber and plastic stuff fresh. So you don't have to use that stuff. It's expensive. The 303 is like Armor All on steroids, but any kind of Armor All product's good for rubber parts. So anyway, you also might need to replace the hose that runs on the back side of this. There's a plastic part that snaps out with 2 little snap-in like nipple things. You just squeeze it with some pliers. The whole thing will pop out and you can clean it. And I'm using a piece of scrap oxygen tube, which isn't the best, but it's working for now. It's got to be at least about 4 inches long, I think. So anyway, let's see if this thing started up. It started up several minutes ago, and I let it run for a few minutes, so hopefully it'll keep working. I don't know how many times you're supposed to pump it. I pumped it about 5 or 6 times. But since it already ran some, that's like 3 or 4, I think, there. So, anyway, it works for me, and I don't know how these new ones work, really. They got that hole in the middle, and when you push on it, it's like it's just pushing air. That's all you feel and hear, but it's got to be pushing some gas down in the carburetor somehow. So maybe somebody else can enlighten me. Anyway, hope that works for you, worked for me, and take care. Wish you the best. See you. Have a good one.